initial connection of the device. Step 1. Device network cable connection method. Connect two network cables from the router, one to the device and the other to the computer. Make sure that the devices and the computer are on the same LAN. Step 2. Modified IP address of the computer. Because default IP address of the device is 192.168.1.70. Please change the computer IP address to network segment 192.168.1.x. X can be any figures. Step 3. Searching device. You can say the device is IP address 192.168.1.70 after click searching box. Double click this option and the IP address in the IP box would change into the same IP address of the device. Step 4. Set the network parameters of the device in wired mode. After connecting the device, you can modify the network parameters for wired static, dynamic, wireless static, and dynamic configuration. Here we will set up the wired mode first and the wireless mode later. Click wired mode, dynamic mode, and the saved option. To set the static IP address has to complete all parameters in the IP address box below. After the settings are complete, we need to modify the changed IP address of computer into automatically obtained. Otherwise, the device cannot be searched. Method 2 for initial connection of the device. Step 1. Connect the device to the computer directly with a network cable. And do not change the IP address of the computer. Click search bar to find the device whose address is 169.254.x.x. After click this option, the IP address in the IP box changes to the IP address of the device. Step 2. Set the network parameters to wireless mode. After connecting the device, you can modify the network parameters to wireless dynamic. Enter the Wi-Fi name and password. Click Save and unplug network cable. To set the static IP address, complete all parameters in the IP address box below. Configuration of data push address. After connecting the device, click the device information and the HTTPS protocol. Check the real-time upload button. Then fill in the corresponding text box for the URL of data reporting and heartbeat. Enter the device code and unknown interval, and click to save the settings. Step 4. People counter parameter configuration. When the device is successfully connected, we can configure the device parameters. Click the Start button to save the settings. Input the detection height according actual needed, and the height not required to be detected, which called minimum detection distance. Detection area settings. After the height has been set, the maximum detection box is displayed, which can be adjusted according to the actual needed. Setting instruction. 1. Click the detection area setting button to enter the setting state. 2. Drag the mouse to adjust the size and the position of the detection area by dragging the dots at the four corners of the red box. 3. Click the Save button to save the settings of the detection area. Note, the red box inside is ground detection area. The blue box is the maximum configurable detection area. Detection line setting. 1. Click the detection line position button to enter the setting state. 2. Drag the mouse to adjust the position of the green detection line. 3. Click Save button to save the setting. Note, the blue dotted line indicates the maximum adjustable position. Click the Detection Direction button to adjust the detection direction. Click Start button to complete all settings.